So here's some videos of some of our apprentices entering the Welsh Skills Competition on the 24th of January. The competition was held at Pontardawe College, and we entered 3 first-year apprentices: Billy Brain from Bristol, who is a paint apprentice; Cameron Paterson from the Rhondda, who is a panel apprentice; and Bradley Watts from Bristol, who is a panel apprentice; and 1 second-year apprentice, Joe Griffiths from Cardiff. They underwent several multitask through the day, various assessments to test their skills and knowledge on automotive. There's a first, second and third place that will be announced in the next couple of weeks, and the winning apprentices will be invited to a dinner at Cardiff Cricket Club. This will be held in March, and we're hopeful we're going to have some apprentices placed.